This is part 2 of how to powder coat a tumbler. This is a little bit more advanced version. Now, if you haven't seen part 1, how to single coat, go check the video. I'm gonna drop the video somewhere over here. I'm lying, I don't know how to do that, but I'll drop it in the comments in the description. So, step 1 of this, first and foremost, gloves. Always have gloves. Step 2, the design. This is my design. This is the design that'll be going on top. Here. This black is just vinyl. Y'all can't tell. This is vinyl, so everything that is black will be white, and everything that is white will be forest green. I loaded it up with forest green. It's gonna be a dual color, white design and green tumbler. So to do this is almost the exact same way. Gets a little bit tricky with vinyl, and that's what I'm about to tell you. First and foremost, always use removable vinyl. I did use permanent vinyl, and it completely ruined quite a few of my tumblers. So, trust me. Number 2, I haven't seen too many videos talk about it, but I'm going to teach you something that will save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So, if you watched my first video, you'll know that I only powder coated or cured my tumbler for the white coat for 6 minutes at about 380. Why did I undercure it? Because I will also be curing it with my other coat, and that's what we'll be talking about today. So this is the part. I'm done talking. I will show you all the results and get to it. The powder goof. Don't forget your ground. Ground it out. Extremely important. We can go over a troubleshooting guide later in a different video. But here it comes. Always remember, you're going to start at the base, and it's just going to give us a nice clean line. So here's my tumbler before it hits the oven. We're about to put this in the oven. Now here's the trick. Okay, so I'm going to put this tumbler in here for about 60 seconds. And at that point, at 60 seconds, I'm going to take it out. After I take this tumbler out, I got to hit 155. So we're using our temp gun. Once it hits 155, I can freely touch it, start removing vinyl, put it back in cure to temperature. I will also be telling you, save you some time. I have an oven. Some people are using a toaster oven. That's what I started with. Get yourself an oven. Secondly, put this all the way to the back. And here we go. Things left. In case y'all didn't know, an oven's hot. Use gloves. This is what we call glossing out. Once you see that, that's when we're going to get ready to start pulling. The trick is to make sure you get 99.9% of the cup glossed out. Here's what it looks like. See that little edges? Do not touch that. That powder is not cured, and it will come off. If you touch it, then you got to start all over. Take our temperature gun, and we're looking for 155, and then we can freely touch this cup, and then we remove vinyl. That's going to be a part I'm going to skip because it's going to take me a minute, and then after done removing the vinyl, we'll be right back. Okay, so we removed our vinyl, and we're about to start curing it for the final thing. Now this is when we're going to leave it in there. We're going to do a little bit of math. We did what, a minute something seconds, so now we're going to put it back in for about 8 minutes, and we're going to see how it turns out. And here is the end result. Alright, if you keep liking videos like this, hit that like, hit that comment, hit that subscribe. If you got any questions, shoot the comments in the If you got any questions, shoot it in the comment sections. We'll answer them, make more in detail videos if this is something you like. Alright, till next time, it's Greasy Off-Roads. Later.